how to create your Instagram business account or how to add your current existing Instagram account to a business account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can easily create a business account on Instagram. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what you want to do is make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. Head over to your app store, in the search box type in Instagram, go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app. Once you've done so, I'm going to simply open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you log in, you can see basically this is one of my personal accounts, and let's say that I want to switch this to a business account or your new account to a professional account. So what you want to do is, the process is fairly simple. On the very top right hand side, you can see those three horizontal lines, and all you have to do is tap on those three horizontal lines icon which you see, and at the bottom of the screen you will have enabled these pop-up windows. In this window you have to go ahead and select this first option which says settings in this gear icon. So go ahead and select settings, and again right over here halfway down the bottom you'll find this profile icon which says account. So go ahead and tap on the account option. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see a bunch of your account information, such as save, your close friends, your account status, your avatars, your languages, and so on. We want to ignore all of that and scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and you'll find this blue button which says switch to professional account. So all you have to do is simply tap on switch to professional account. As soon as you do that, you can see it will ask me for a confirmation. I'm going to generally go ahead and confirm all of these changes which you see on the screen. Right over here, you can actually select the category of your business or the niche on which you are currently at. If you want, you can also choose to display this category on your profile or not. Once done, tap on the done button. Right over here, you can see it says it can take up to 30 seconds to finish creating a professional account. So simply be patient and wait until Instagram completes your process of converting your personal account to a business or professional account. And right over here is the main screen on which you want to look at. If you want to switch to a creator account, you have to tap on creator account. And if you want to switch to business account, which we are learning in this video currently, we will simply select the second option which says business and select the option called next at the bottom of the screen. Once you've done so, you would have successfully created your business account on Instagram. And this was the easy way on how you could very easily create Instagram business account or switch from your personal account to a business account on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.